Hi, my name is Boodaghian. This is my look I created for Sarah on the new Bedhead campaign. Start by creating a radial and a profile parting and carry out a fundamental new growth application using Formula 1. Progressing onto the back sections, with a freehand blending technique, apply Formula 2 to the mid-lengths through to the ends. Repeat on the opposite side. Progress onto the side section and repeat the same technique. Continue on to the final section. Take a horizontal parting 2 inches above the ear and apply Formula 2 to the mid-lengths through to the ends. Process the colour for up to 40 minutes. Rinse and remove, and then tone the pre-lightened areas using Formula 3. Process visually for up to 20 minutes. Rinse and remove using recommended aftercare.